So today we're going to be taking a look at how you can find out your battery health on your iPhone. All you want to do is open up the settings menu like I've got here, and all we're going to do is just scroll down, or you can go to the top and search for battery, but you're going to look for battery here, click on that. And once you're in here, it's just going to load, but you don't have to actually look at this if you don't want to. All you have to do is just click battery health, which is there, and as you can see here, it's going to give us some information. And it's going to say our maximum capacity is 86%. Now what this means is that it holds 86% of the relative charge. Yours will probably be different. And as you can see from the text on the screen, that basically lower capacity will basically come out to less time on your phone per charge. But you can always get your battery replaced if need be. But that's how you check the battery health. And this section will also tell you if your battery is degraded to a certain level. If it starts randomly shutting off, it will say something in here about your peak performance capability is no longer available, or something along those lines. I've had it happen to me once before, but you can always get your battery changed, and then that should resolve that issue. But that's how to check your battery health. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.